Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna talk about digestive enzymes. So many people have asked me, should I take digestive enzymes because I feel I'm not absorbing the nutrients properly and I'm not digesting the food properly. So first I want to explain about digestive enzymes. So in the body, the digestive enzymes are normally produced by the liver, the stomach, the pancreas, the saliva, the intestines. So these are normally produced in our body, and it's helping to digest the food, to dissolve the food in the smaller particles, so it will be easily digested from the bacteria and absorb the nutrients in our blood. But as we age, the production of digestive enzymes is reducing. Also, genetics, stress, stomach viruses also are making this balance, and they are contributing in a decrease in production of the digestive enzymes. So most of the people who have stress, who have stomach viruses, who had food poisoning, who have taken antibiotics, and they have a gut disbalance, and their production of the enzymes is reduced. So if you are experiencing any of these symptoms, or you had taken antibiotics before, just write in the comment if you are the one of that people, and I will tell you what to do now. So what are these enzymes? What is their name? So these enzymes, we can list them. One is amylase, which converts carbohydrates into sugars and use them as the energy in our body. Next one is lipase, which takes the fat and triglycerides from the food and converts them into amino acids that uses in the body for many functions. Next one is lactase, which uses lactose in the milk, usually dairy products, and converts it in other types of sugars that our body can use. And the last one is protease, which converts the proteins into amino acids. So it's four basic enzymes, which are amylase for the carbohydrates, lipase for the fats, lactase for the lactose, sugar in the milk, and the protease for the proteins that we eat from the meat, from the legumes, to convert. So digestive enzymes can be used as a supplement to help us with digesting the foods if we notice that we have problem with digestion of the food. And I can tell you what I use. I use this company, 21st Century of Digestive Enzymes. You can see it. I'll post the link in the comment, which has all these basic digestive enzymes in it and are very easily on the stomach, on the body. So how do we take these digestive enzymes? Somebody says if we take it on an empty stomach, it's not used, of course. But the best way to use them is 30 minutes before the meal, and the meal which contains proteins, carbs, fat, and milk. Any of these, it's useful to take this digestive enzyme. I take one capsule 30 minutes before the meal or during the meal. So it will help in breaking down all these nutrients from the food. So what these digestive enzymes can do? They can speed up the chemical reaction into converting the nutrients into substances that our digestive tract can absorb. There are also natural ways to increase the production of the digestive enzymes from your body, to be produced by your body, by your organs, and that's reducing the stress. And also in our saliva, we have the food starts to digest, because when we smell the food, it's actually, we are producing saliva, we are producing digestive enzymes. So that's why we need to slow down when we eat, to calm, to relax, so the food can be digested properly, not to eat on the run, of course. Then there is other food types that increase the digestive enzyme production, For example, honey have digestive enzymes, then it's papaya, papain, bromelain, and from pineapple, and sauerkraut. Mangoes and bananas, they have amylase to digest the carbohydrates. Avocados has a lipase. So if you are experiencing some digestive problems like bloating, gas, gut disbalance, it's better to take the digestive enzymes before meal, and or change your lifestyle habits, like quit smoking, quit drinking, reduce the stress, start exercising, and eat healthy food. Okay, so if you have any questions, please write below, and if you're not, see you next time. Bye.